In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the list where you want to add your custom field. This is important because custom fields are often used to track extra information for tasks in a specific workflow, project or team space. So before creating anything, make sure you're in the correct list view where you want that new column to appear. Once you're in the right list, look across the top row where your existing columns are displayed. You'll see an option labeled Plus Add. Click that option to begin adding a new column. This is where ClickUp lets you expand the information you can store for each task, beyond the default task details. From the menu that appears, select Custom Field. This tells ClickUp that you're not just adding a standard column, but creating a field tailored to the kind of data you want to track. Next, choose the type of field you want to create. ClickUp offers several options, and the right one depends on what kind of information you need. For example, you might use text for short notes, number for budgets or quantities, drop-down for status categories, date for deadlines or milestones, checkbox for simple yes or no tracking, email for contact addresses, or phone for contact numbers. Pick the field type that best matches the way you plan to use it, since that will make your list much easier to organize later. After choosing the field type, enter a name for your custom field. Try to make the name clear and specific so anyone viewing the list will immediately understand what that column is for. Depending on the field type you selected, you may also see additional options to configure. For example, a drop-down field may let you add selectable choices, while other field types may include formatting or display settings. Take a moment here to set things up the way you want, since this helps keep your data consistent across tasks. When everything looks good, click Create or Save. ClickUp will then add the new custom field to your list, and it will appear as a new column alongside your existing ones. From there, you can click the field for any task to enter or select its value. This is how you begin using the field in your day-to-day task management, making it easier to sort, filter, and track the exact information your team needs. Thanks for watching.